Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, how to dye black hair red. If you've ever looked at your dark locks and thought, what if I went red? This video is for you. Changing up your hair color is such a fun way to refresh your look. And yes, dyeing dark hair red can be a little tricky, but don't worry. I'll walk you through everything, choosing the right shade, applying the dye, and keeping your new color vibrant for as long as possible. Let's get started. First up, choosing your dye. You'll need a permanent dye, not temporary. Temporary color won't stick to black hair, but permanent dye lifts the cuticle so the color shows through. Next, check your hair's condition. If your hair is already damaged or has been dyed black before, you'll probably need bleach to lift it. But if your hair is virgin, meaning it's never been dyed, you're in luck. The color will take more easily. Make sure you have all your supplies ready. Dye, developer, bleach if needed, applicator brush, mixing bowl, clips, gloves, and a shower cap. Now the fun part, choosing your shade of red. Go with what complements your skin tone. Cool undertones. Try shades like mahogany or aubergine. Warm undertones. Auburn or burgundy will look amazing. Darker skin tones. Bold shades like fire engine red or violet red pop beautifully. Fair skin? Softer reds like copper or strawberry blonde usually look best. Okay, time to apply the color. Here's the step-by-step. Bleach if needed. If your hair is resistant or previously dyed, bleach will help you achieve that bright red. But don't overdo it. Bleach can seriously damage your hair. If you're lucky enough to have virgin hair, some dyes for dark hair can give you a rich red without bleaching. Section your hair. Brush it out, divide it into 4 parts, and clip them up. This makes it way easier to apply evenly. Mix your dye. Combine your tube of dye with developer in a mixing bowl until it's smooth. Apply the dye. Start about an inch away from your roots, working down to the ends. Do this section by section, making sure everything is coated. Then, halfway through the processing time, go back and do your roots. Process and rinse. Pop on a shower cap. Let the color develop for the time on the box, then rinse with cool water. Use shampoo and conditioner made for color-treated hair. Never hot water, it makes the color fade faster. So, you've got your beautiful new red hair. How do you keep it that way? Wash only 2 to 3 times a week. Red dye fades quickly, so less washing means a longer-lasting color. Always use sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Do regular deep conditioning treatments to keep your hair healthy and shiny. And don't forget touch-ups. A semi or demi-permanent dye can refresh the color between big dye sessions, while permanent dye can help cover root growth. And that's it. Dyeing black hair red takes a little patience, but the results are so worth it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty tips, and let me know in the comments, what shade of red are you going for? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.